Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to highlight text in Preview on Mac. So there you go, I've just done it right there and it's that simple. But the way we're doing it is we're opening up our PDF on Preview and then we're going to go and select this tool on the top right hand corner that looks like a little pen drawing a line. We can then use that tool to run across and highlight things. Now don't be confused because there is just another toolbar in here that people get confused about. We want to actually go through here, select the pen tool, and then we can change the color to what we want it to be. So we can choose different colors. We can underline if we want. We can even use strike through and cross out stuff. So it's a really easy to use system to quickly go through and highlight these sorts of things. Now if we want to remove this, the best way to do it is probably to use Command Z on Mac, and that will undo the highlighting. And if we don't want to highlight, we can turn that off and then we can just use our normal cursor. So that's how easy it is, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Bye.